Every engineering team knows the feeling. A project that was once on track suddenly spirals into chaos. But before that happens, there are subtle, hidden signals that often go unnoticed. Today, we'll delve into these signals, uncover the underlying patterns, and explore a pragmatic decision approach that can help you manage escalations before they become catastrophic. Project escalations don't happen overnight. They accumulate through a series of overlooked warning signs, from missed deadlines and excessive bug reports to team overwork and communication gaps. Ignoring these signals can lead to increased dissatisfaction within teams, organizational inefficiency, and ultimately, failed projects. It's essential to recognize that these signs are not just noise. They are critical warnings of impending chaos. What if you could predict turmoil before it affects your project? Experienced engineers often visualize potential escalations by identifying early warning signals. These signs provide insight that, when addressed promptly, can significantly alter project trajectories. Understanding this process equips technical leaders to create proactive strategies rather than reactive reactions, and facilitates a culture of continuous improvement and resilience within teams. Let's explore a decision-making approach that transcends frameworks. Seasoned engineers often adopt 4 essential parts: awareness, assessment, action, and feedback. Awareness involves recognizing signs early. Assessment covers diagnosing causes. Action is about implementing solutions. And feedback ensures we learn from every escalation. This structured approach allows teams to systematically mitigate risks and enhances their capability in handling complexities before they spiral. Awareness is the foundation of this approach. It entails monitoring both qualitative and quantitative indicators, such as team morale, code quality, and backlog health. By fostering a culture of openness, teams can share their concerns and observations more freely. This proactive stance is vital. Recognizing minor issues early can prevent them from becoming major setbacks, ultimately safeguarding project timelines and objectives. Once awareness is established, we move to assessment. This step focuses on understanding the underlying issues behind the warning signals. Are there resource constraints? Is there a communication breakdown? Assessments should involve a data-driven approach that encourages feedback loops within the team. This phase is crucial because it defines the response. The clearer and more accurate the assessment, the more effective the action taken. Most teams don't fail because of incompetence. They fail because leaders avoid uncomfortable decisions. Action involves executing tailored interventions based on the insights gained from prior steps. This could mean reallocating resources, redefining roles, or enhancing documentation practices. The key here is decisiveness. Inaction can often exacerbate problems. Additionally, ensure there's a clear mandate to execute the changes, as ambiguity can lead to further delays and confusion, prolonging the chaos. Consider a mid-sized tech firm where a project spiraled due to a lack of early awareness. The team faced repeated sprint failures, and code quality suffered from mechanical debts. Ignoring the signs resulted in a critical release delay, undermining stakeholder trust and leading to client dissatisfaction. This chaos could have been avoided had the team engaged actively in early recognition and assessment of their situation. One of the hard trade-offs is the balance between immediate deliverables and long-term health. Many leaders often prioritize short-term success, foregoing early intervention tactics. However, the real cost of neglecting potential escalations can be significantly more than the upfront investment in prevention. We have to ask ourselves, do we value the success of today or the stability of tomorrow? To implement this approach practically, establish regular check-ins focusing on health indicators, promote a feedback culture, and consider team retrospectives as a standard practice. Encourage all team members to share their perspectives on potential escalations. Equip your teams with the decision process we discussed. It's crucial to break down silos and work collaboratively on problem solving. Today, we have unraveled the crucial decision-making process that experienced engineers use to navigate potential project escalations. By focusing on awareness, assessment, action, and feedback, teams can identify hidden signals early and mitigate chaos. Remember, the goal is not to avoid all crises, but to build a resilient framework that allows for proactive problem solving. Now, as you evaluate your engineering processes, consider how you can integrate this approach to effectively manage project escalations. Engage actively with your teams, elevate your awareness, and foster open communication. If you found value in this discussion, like and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching, and let's build resilient engineering environments together.